Okay, here's a little graph that helps depict what's going on. This red curve is actually the graph of this function, 3 cosine squared of x, on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. And the green curve is the graph of the derivative, which you've gotten correct, negative 6 sine x cosine x. And you can see that wherever that first derivative, the green graph, is equal to 0, we've got potential relative maximums and minimums, because that's where the slope of the tangent line is 0. So we've got turning points there. Okay, so the question is, how could you figure out those absolute max and mins without looking at a graph? Well, when does negative 6 sine x cosine x equal 0? When either of these factors is equal to 0. So the sine of x equals 0, x equals the inverse sine of 0, or any angle that has a sine of 0. And those happen when x is 0, pi, or 2 pi in this interval. And when does the cosine of x equal 0? When x is pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. So there are the test points, and those include the endpoints, 0 and 2 pi. And we want to plug every one of these numbers into the original function to determine where the absolute max and min occur on this closed interval from 0 to 2 pi. So f of 0 means put 0 in for x. Cosine of 0 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And f of pi over 2, cosine of pi over 2 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. That's how you get all these. Then for absolute max and min, you examine that list of values and learn that the absolute value, or the absolute max on 0 to 2 pi is 3, and the absolute min is 0. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.